family. We are happy to have you right here for Karnataka Business Awards 2021, brought to you by KTCC.
ಯಾರು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿರಲಿ, ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೆಳೆದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೂ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಅಚೀವ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್.
And I was so happy when so many hospitality awards and other sectors were given. And one thing which I always would love to remember is giving wings to the budding entrepreneurs who are coming up.
So from yesterday, I'm a part of this event. I heard so many things. I met so many people, entrepreneurs, producers, directors, and filmmakers. And seriously, it is a wonderful platform here. And what I feel, it's a post-COVID platform, which regenerating the body, both mentally and physically.
So you have to think of how to grow in this competitive environment, work with the different government agencies, work with the Chamber of Commerce, FKCCI, CASIA, and other institutions, and then I think you get expertise and grow together, sail together, and then flourish together. That's what I can say. So whenever we feel that we want to bring India as a manufacturing hub or export to the world, we have to rely upon small scale industries, trade and commerce. Then only we can grow. That's what I wish all the best to all organizers for inviting me and giving this opportunity. I wish all the best of luck. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Kannada.
I congratulate the KTCC, Kashif and his team for creating such a beautiful, wonderful and an environment of excellence to thrive and strive for success.
Organizing the best event which I have seen in 2020. This is the best program I have attended anta helike istapadtini, because inspiring someone is not easy and promoting someone is also not easy.
That I have been made a part of the program today. My only good wishes to is that despite difficulties, despite the pandemic, despite problems over here, all of you have made an important mark, and today you are receiving an award and receiving a recognition over here. And as much as you are receiving the recognition, I compliment those who are responsible for giving the awards to you, and may this kind of award giving recognition go on, because it gives hope and it gives strength to each and every one of you to see that even during difficult times, how one can rise and be of help to others. God has been kind to all of us, especially those of you blessed with resources. So extend it so that everybody gets a part of the benefits which the society and the world is going to give to you. With these words, I leave it to the organizers to carry out the more elaborate program, and pardon my exit from this place. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Thank you.
हालात से सहमे हुए लोगों को बता दो, हालात से सहमे हुए लोगों को बता दो, हालात गुजर जाते हैं ठहरा नहीं करते, जागी हुई कौम के दिलावर हक छीन लिया करते हैं मांगा नहीं करते. This is exactly what my country did during the time of COVID. When the entire world was sleeping, this country was progressing. Why? Because of businessmen like you who wanted to really nurture a dream.
If any sector has suffered a lot during the COVID days, that is MSME sector.
The entire team of KTCC for organizing such a wonderful event, because this kind of events set up a platform for many business houses to be recognized, and once these business houses are recognized, felicitated, it acts as a very big source of motivation and boost their morale. So it is a very nice event organized by them. At the same time, when there are a lot of other dignitaries present from the FKCCI and the IAS officer, well-known IAS officer Janab Mohsin Saab as well, I request that you all come together and also work for the skill development of the society, because that is where the large masses are. Because once you develop their skills, you provide them with skills, then that is where the employment booms. And India is a land of opportunities, and it is the right of the Indians first to use these opportunities. And having said this, I would like to take my place.
So in Karnataka, there is not a problem. The traders are plenty. I'm sure with this kind of youngsters, and I'm sure when somebody like Mohammad Mohsin Saab and like Bhaskar Rao and all are there for these functions, I think the sky is the limit.
KTCC for keeping such a beautiful platform for young entrepreneurs, and really it was a very good show put up. We never thought it was like a very huge platform, but yes, next year also we are planning that we might get much more awards.
Basically, this company holds to my uncles, two of them. Because of their busy, I'm feeling myself very proud, and I'm also one of the worker in the company. And I'd like to thank to Karnataka Business Awards, and thanks for everyone.
Our company is a IATA certified agent company, so we are a best Umrah operator in the 2021 section.
Awesome.
Yeah.
KTCC, okay, to do this type of works, and next year also we are planning to go ahead.
Today I'm standing as a business sector female on this such a big stage. This has really made me very happy, and this is unforgettable. Remember, really it's Karnataka Business Award is making a wonderful, extremely beautiful awards given to everybody like us for startup people.
We are very much satisfied with this award. Thank you.